house, bro, and I cannot go up there when Ryan's after me and he just swipes me with two shots.
Oh! What? No! What you after me for? No!
hurry up, please. Hold on, I got you. Hold on, I got your back. I got your back.
Help me. Got my back. Just have my back, please. Oh my God.
Oh, please, hurry. Oh my God.
Oh my
Johnny's
God.
coming! Johnny's coming! Get away!
No! Jamer, you wrong for that shit!
What did I do? I climbed out!
Oh my God! I'm dead! I'm fucking dead! I knew that was gonna happen to me! And that nigga kicked me in my stomach!
I think I lost them. You get away from
Why is he kicking me? J Murph ass sacrificed the fuck out of me!
Hey Nathan, please tell me you have a two pick, or I pick.
I do. Don't say nothing. I'll do it.
I'm going to the bathroom. I'm going to the bathroom.
Oh, I can't do this. Yeah, but Leatherface and Johnny was gonna show up.
In God's name. What is this place? Okay. God, it's too quiet.
Bye, bitches. I have to go. Oh, you bitch. Oh, hell no. Oh, that bitch. Running. My face is so red right now because I do. Motherfucker. Wake your ass up, bitch.
It was.
Yeah, that was. She has now.
Ryan. Ryan, you gonna take that bass out your voice?
Huh? What she
You
said?
messing with me here. I ain't none of those Xbox players you go cursing out.
Expecting that?
Those freaking traps. I saw the trap. I saw the trap. I was like, let me just figure out what
I
it
never
is.
seen the damn traps. Man, that's some bullshit. First of all, how a fucking cannibal?
Oh, I saw Ryan. He didn't pass me.
Go, Ryan! Go, Ryan!
chase him down. Go chase him down. Go chase him down.
Oh,
Go chase him down.
shit!
Go chase him down.
Oh! No! Y'all are assholes.
Did you kill him?
No.
Where'd he go?
I don't know. Get off of him.
How you doing? Oh, victim bleed out. Well, it's alright. Don't worry, I think D. Nathan got that kill. Yep, you did.
I'm gonna give you that D. Nathan surprise.
Don't bring your problems over here.
No! I need my starter! Whoa! I died. died.
So hard to say
I died.
goodbye.
Well,
Well, goddamn you, gamer. You're supposed to live.
wow, I got jumped.
Hey, come here! Hey, come here! Come here!
Wanna
Yo, he's
go?
right
You
here.
wanna go? You wanna go?
He right here! He right here! Shit!
Get away from me!
Oh! See, that's you get trying to hit me, see?
Man, Leatherface got so
Wait,
good.
move! Yeah!
So you try to hit me and shit, you was
Fuck! I need to get out.
I loved it.
Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
She's saying fuck,
Wrong.
fuck.
That bitch got me. I'm about to die.
Don't reach them.
I'm about to die.
Come on, get her.
Go find a well.
Whoever's over there, get her.
I know you lying, D-Nation. Are you there? Are you there? Are you
Oh bro! Shit.
Come on,
There you go.
get her.
No! Oh, fuck, man.
Got her.
That's alright, Ryan.
I am
That's alright,
sick
Ryan.
and tired of being by myself.
somebody went down the well.
Ryan! You got your lick back, baby. You got it. You got it.
I didn't
You
kill
got
you, though.
I did. I died. Don't worry about it though. Cause